Hi. You're a bit close. You're so bit close. Hi. Oh. Oh, I see. You're a bit close. Oh. You're tickling me. Oh. I think you love your mummy, don't you? Yes. Oh. I know. Lunia. Willow. Mummy's good girls. At least you two will sit and me together. Ruby and Sophie won't share me. It has to be one or the other, Ruby or Sophie. But never together. Especially Ruby, because Ruby's a sassy one. You'll soon learn that, Luna and Willow, once you get older, that Ruby is the boss of the household. Oh yes. Sweetie pies. Oh. Yo. So sweet. So sweet. Good girls. Good girls. Love you.